I love a good taco. Pork tacos, chicken tacos, beef tacos, amputated foot tacos. Wait. Welcome back to I.O. I'm Charlotte Dobre, and this next story is a gross one. A man who has chosen to remain anonymous admitted that he served his friends tacos made out of meat from his amputated foot. The question is, why? So here's the deal. A man who was hit on his motorcycle 2 years ago shared his story in a not safe for work Ask Me Anything Reddit post under the username Incredibly Shiny Smart. His foot was salvaged, but he was told that he would never be able to walk on it again. That's when he made the decision to have his foot amputated. But unlike other amputations, this man asked the doctors if he could keep his removed foot. The doctors agreed. He took his foot home and I guess decided it would be a great idea to have a barbecue? So he called up some friends, asked them if they would be down to eat some foot, and then he and his friend cooked a portion of his tibialis anterior. So how does a subject like this just come up in conversation? Apparently he and his friends always had a joke. If you could try human flesh in an ethical and healthy way, would you? And they always said they would. Well, the opportunity came up and he called them out. Hey guys, remember when you said that you would be down to try cannibalism? Well, I've got this foot, see, it's my foot, but it's been cut off, so. Apparently 10 of his friends showed up, but one of them backed out. Sound too crazy to be true? Well, this Reddit user provided proof. He took a photo of his foot tacos being made, which I will not show because it's incredibly bloody and disgusting, and then he shared a photo of his stump with his username written on it in Sharpie. So obviously this was an Ask Me Anything. If you're familiar with these types of threads, the poster answers questions from other Reddit users. Aside from foot puns, there were a lot of good questions. One user asked, "Did you throw up after?" Understandable, but apparently he didn't. One of his friends had to spit him out into a napkin after chewing on him for a while. That's such a weird thing to say. Another asked, "What is it like knowing that you're one of the few, if not only person who can claim to have eaten their own leg?" His response was, "It was a neat experience and he wouldn't change it." Interesting. What did his foot taste like? Apparently buffalo, but chewier. Super beefy and little fat. And he rated it a 6.5 out of 10. Okay, I'm done talking about feet tacos because frankly feet gross me out, let alone eating one, so let's just move along now. It's comment time! Nature Healer said, "I'm a cannibal because I just ate a potato, sorry my queen." This is the only kind of cannibalism I will condone. It's Annoying said, "Hey Charlotte, what's your go-to snack food?" Not feet. Gathany said, "Do you have Snapchat, Potato Queen?" I do, but I don't use it. I have Instagram, follow me at Charlie Chaplin. The video is over and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for all your trending news and turn on those notifications by clicking the bell. If you want to stay on this channel, we put together a playlist for you that's right over here. And we are on social media, check out the description for all of our links. That's it for me, and I'll see you in the next I.O. video.